Yo, what's up everyone? This is your boy back with another video. This is a video tutorial where we can enable the Windows search spotlight for Windows 10. As you can see, this is the feature from the Mac OS, and I'm going to show you how to enable this on your Windows PC or on your Windows machine. What you're going to do is just press Windows R on your keyboard and type in reg edit here in the menu and press enter. A prompt will open up and click OK on there. After that, what you're going to do is here on this left side panel, click on Windows Current User, and inside here go to Software and click on the key and open it up. Now then go to navigate to Microsoft, and inside Microsoft go to current version, and inside current version go to search and click on search, and in here create a new dword value and then name it as immersive search, and change the value data from 0 to 1 and press OK. And after that, when you press Ctrl S on your keyboard, the spotlight search will be enabled on your PC. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.